Hey Kristen, it's Kim Salgado. I wanted to send you a quick video. I'm in your class, as you can see here, and then I have gone into your grade book. Let me make this a little bigger so you can see. So here's your students, and then what I've done was I clicked on the icon here for some of your students' papers for the 2-4 Project 1. And then I clicked on the rubric. So I am not having a problem with the rubric at all. I can click in the box. I can add feedback. So just so you know, I'm able to do this. I am using Chrome, and so my gut tells me it's not your rubric, it's not your class setup in Brightspace, it's probably your computer. So the first things that I would tell